Hi, I'm Roxanne. The Welsh Assembly Government has asked me to be a part of the National Independent Advocacy Board to help develop Meic. They wanted me to be a part of this service so that I'd make sure that it would be right for young people. Meic is the new service for children and young people in Wales who might want help to stop, start or change something in their lives. If you feel unhappy, feel that you've been treated unfairly or that you haven't had the chance to have your say when other people are making decisions that affect you, then Meic can help. Meic is short for microphone. It basically does what a microphone would do. If you feel like you're not confident enough to speak up for yourself, then Meic can help by amplifying your voice, making it louder and more likely to be heard. If you're under 25 years old and living in Wales, then you can text, instant message or phone Meic 7 days a week. Meic is trained advisors who can support you, who can signpost you to relevant places and give you information and advice on different ways of getting to have your say. They'll even contact people on your behalf if you want. They will not judge you, they won't put words into your mouth and they won't try to get you to change your mind. They're there just to listen and to help you get the support that you need. Advocacy is to help children and young people to speak up for themselves, to access their rights and entitlements and to get something stopped, started or changed. If you feel like you've been treated unfairly, like nobody listens to what you want, that you don't understand the service, or you keep telling somebody what you want or need in order to make things better and they don't listen, then Meic can help. The staff at Meic will help you to write letters, to make phone calls, and even in some cases just give you that extra little bit of confidence that you need in order to speak up for yourself. They'll give you information on different things that affect you, such as your family, your school, your health and where you live. Meic will help you to stop, start, change or untangle something in your life. If you're a person who works with children and young people, it's really important that you know about and understand this helpline. If somebody from Meic contacts you, then it means that a person that you're working with is not happy and we need to work together in order to change this. Meic has many different services to offer, such as local and national links to other services, signposting, family information services and local advocacy. Don't stay unhappy, pick up the phone, text or instant message Meic now. You can get in touch with Meic on free phone 080 880 23456 or you can text 84001 or instant message www.meicymru.org. It's free, confidential and for you.